Hi, Craft Angels. Vanessa here from AngelRose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm here with two cards that I made on a live with a friend of mine. And I will try to link her channel down below so y'all can go on over and subscribe. So let's get into these two Christmas cards that I made. The first one I used, this is, let me see, the paper pad that I used is, I'm gonna give y'all both paper pads I used for each card, and they're both, this is Prima and this is Bo Bunny, and this one here I used Bo Bunny, and this one that y'all gonna see after I used Prima. No, I take that back. I think it's a mixture of both I used, okay? For each book. So, each card, I mean. So, we're going to start off with this one. What I did is, I measured my card, and my card is, I believe a 5x7, or 5x6.5. My cards are odd. Let me tell you. And I just cut like a 1/4 inch or 1/8 of an inch for my paper, so I have the little borders. And what I done is I did the layering, and I took my Tim Holtz Distress ink and went over the ornament paper, okay? And I took two different papers here, the buffalo check and the ornament paper, and I made a flag out of it, okay? And this is one, a little, I'm gonna show you where I got it from. It's from the Prima pad, and it's one of these little cards here. I'm gonna show you. Let me see if I can find the page I got it from. The Santa you see here, I got from Tsunami Rose. You can go and find her on Etsy at tsunamirose.net and see if she has this in her shop. Okay, it's not this pad I got it from. It must be the Bo Bunny. Let me see if I can find it in Bo Bunny. I don't think there's any cut parts in this book. No, it's not. There's no cut parts in this one. So it had to come out of the Prima. But I can't find the page. But it's one of these little strips here that I cut it off of. Okay? It came with a whole bunch of these. I just cut them off and used it on here. Now I also used some flat back pearls that I purchased from Michael's a while ago. And on the inside, I used the Bo Bunny music paper with another little cut apart, and let me see, the Prima paper in the background. So this one's a combination of both books together, and I will be signing the back of my card. So I do that with all my cards, and I have a signature that I use for it. Okay, now we go with this one, and this is the Bo Bunny pad here. And I can show you the full length page of that. Okay. Let's see if I can make sure I didn't use it all. Because when I make a card, I tend to use more than one page, and it tends to, because this is all single-sided, and I don't see the other page like that. But it's from the Bo Bunny book. Okay? And I did some layering. I took another page from the Bo Bunny book, and you can see on my scraps I made a little pocket here, and I put all my scraps in there. So I took everything and I did my layering again with the 1/4 inch or 1/8 of an inch little border here. I took this trim here and cut one of the little crowns off and put it on the corner here. Now I also have some pearls here that I put on, and on the inside this is Prima paper. The inside's all Prima, the outside's all Bo Bunny. So another combination of the two cards, the two paper pads. So this is all I have for this video. If you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I go live or when I put up new content. And do leave a comment and like the video. Leave a comment down below. I try to respond to all comments. And I want to thank you all for watching. Please be safe, be loving, be caring, and happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye bye for now, crafty angels.